हेलो एंड यू वाचिंग क्लैपट्रैप, वी आर बैक अगेन। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आज का वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जिसमें ना केवल हम फर्नीचर देखेंगे और साथ में देखेंगे कि उनको किस तरह से आप अप्रोप्रिएट स्टाइल से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। इंट्रोडक्शन से शुरुआत करेंगे। हेलो मनमीत जी।
हाय संजीव जी।
हाउ आर यू?
वेरी वेल, आप सुनाइए।
मैं भी ठीक हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर आस्किंग।
थैंक यू
एंड वेलकम टू क्लैपट्रैप।
थैंक यू।
ऑलराइट, सो मीटिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, सो we'll take a brief introduction. Okay.
Yes.
So kindly please tell us about it, the company.
I am architect by profession. I run an architectural firm, and also we run furniture manufacturing unit here in Amritsar. It's been 11 years we are into this profession, and this is my studio on the name of House of Design.
Hi Harshpreet.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine.
And welcome to Claptrap.
Welcome to Amritsar.
Thank you very much. Wonderful, warm welcome.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was in touch with Manmeet ji for last couple of years. I mean, I
Right.
think we have been talking for more than 1.5 years.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Basic introduction is given by him.
Right.
And what we are here for.
Basically, we are here to check the furniture products which we actually manufacture. The products that we finalize over there, we sit with the clients, we finalize the things, and here is the unit where we manufacture all this stuff, and the final products are placed in
Displayed
this display.
Okay.
Yeah.
For the people, those who have not seen that episode, in case
Yeah.
this is going as a separate episode,
Right.
we'll give them a quick recap
Right.
of the previous episode.
Right.
That we were at HOD, House of Design. And House of Design works on two different verticals.
Right.
One is the furniture manufacturing industry, 100% Indian and indigenous.
Right.
We'll
Thank you.
experience something here.
Yeah.
And located in Amritsar. Second vertical is the interior design.
Right.
In the design part. For the people, those who want to get their homes designed, the space designed by you.
Right.
In that experience center at HOD, I don't know which sector was that.
It was Ranjit Avenue C Block Market.
Ranjit Avenue, C Block
Yeah.
Market. Okay, we'll mention that as well in the description box.
Yeah.
Like that store, like that experience center, this is also kind of an experience center.
Yes, basically you get a good experience because the products that are manufactured, basically
Okay.
they are of clients, but they are displayed here for some time before we deliver it to the clients.
Okay.
So every time you come, the display keeps on changing. You get to see many new things, you get to see the colors, you get to see the finishes. There are different taste of people, so you get to see a lot of things over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So we'll be focusing more on furniture.
Right.
Everything is in-house, our home production.
Yes,
Everything is made in
is
Amritsar.
everything is made in Amritsar. Everything is made right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Backside, do we
Yeah,
have factory?
backside we have the manufacturing unit.
Uh-huh.
So everything is manufactured at the back.
ओके
Yeah.
कूल। अब एक चीज़ और मुझे आपसे पूछनी थी कि
Right.
अब जब हम फर्नीचर की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो हम सारे बना लेते हैं, क्या क्या है उसमें?
We are doing the modern furniture. We are doing classical because even right now there are many clients who has the classical taste.
अच्छा।
They want to go with woods. They want to go with carvings. Then there are different category of clients who want to go for metals, who want to go for glossy. So we have a mixed client, like mixed type of clientage. So we deal in everything.
All right.
Yeah.
And when we talk about the line of product,
Yeah.
so that includes bed, dining table,
Yeah,
side
everything.
tables, everything.
Yes,
Dining tables
yes.
also we make?
Yeah, dining tables, side tables, the couches, love seats, the like
Consoles.
complete theme of, you can say, your drawing rooms, your livings. So basically it's all a theme based idea that how you want to create your drawing room, what colors you want to play there, how you want to create your living area, what all experience you want over there. So everything is based on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
This conversation is evoking a lot of emotions.
Yeah.
Okay. A lot of creative emotions rather, I would
Right,
say that.
right,
So we will
right.
try to extract some valuable information from you because you
Yes.
are a designer yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Not only we are going to see some furniture units, at the same time we are going to extract some knowledge from you.
Right.
Please allow us. Okay.
Yeah.
So with as and when required, whenever we are experiencing furniture now,
Right.
going to start the joyride.
Right.
But whenever required, we will try to extract that juice of creativity.
Sure,
Right?
sure.
Okay.
Please
So
welcome.
we'll start from that end.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, Harshpreet, तो time to take a joyride.
Yeah.
ठीक है, start करते हैं.
Yeah.
इस end से start करेंगे और वहाँ तक जाएंगे. So we'll start it from here.
Yeah.
Tell me about this.
So basically, we do everything. We do the furniture for factories. We do little bit of commercial also, and the main focus is on luxury furniture. So this is one of the outlet that we are creating studio for the factory, and this is the conference table.
Okay.
For there, it is made in wood, polished wood, and a leather.
Okay.
So yeah,
This is a conference table for a commercial space.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. For office space. Yeah.
All right. So you have some more units of this
Yeah,
belonging
we
to
have.
this category?
Yeah. Yes, yes,
Like
we
there?
have. Like their whole studio is being designed from us. So, so we have the furniture for reception waiting area, their office furniture and all that.
Okay.
So most of it is fixed on the side. There are some pieces which are here which will be installed by tomorrow or somewhere. Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Yeah.
And I was getting attracted to this entire set. If
Yes.
need be, I'll make another video on this.
Yes.
Entire exclusive video. But looking at this distress finish, not many people in Amritsar. How do people react to distress finish in Amritsar?
They're not very aware of it, you know.
Okay.
Because we get clients जिनके लिए हम distress करते हैं, but they are not very happy with the finish. They're like कि थोड़ा unfinished सा लग रहा है, untidy सा लग रहा है. They're not going with my interiors. But surely there are some clients
Okay.
who love wood.
Right.
Right, and they want to give a new touch to the wood. They want to stay to basics, but still they want to play with something.
Right. Okay.
So there are clients. Those are the clients who go for distress kind of finishes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
there are people like me in Amritsar city as well.
Yeah.
I'm a hugest fan possible on. I mean,
Okay.
I have a unit distress finish का.
Right.
Distress finish को define कर दें quickly for the people those who are watching
Yes.
it from Amritsar. That distress finish जो ये शीशम में आपने किया है या टीक में किया है?
ये शीशम में.
ओके. बट शीशम का अपना एक कलर छूटता है वो द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम है ना?
Right.
ठीक है. तो ये डिस्ट्रेस फिनिश है, ये थोड़ा रॉ और इस तरह का बनाया जाता है. दिस इज वेरी ट्रेंडी
Right.
और ये थोड़ा बोहेमियन स्टाइल का होता है.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
राइट. वी गोइंग टू दिस वन नाउ.
Yes.
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी नाइस.
Thank you.
टेल मी अबाउट दिस.
This is all in shisham wood. Carved in shisham wood.
शीशम.
Yeah.
ओह, ओके.
Yes. So, but the kind of polish which we have given to this set is actually a very antique and different gold kind of a polish. So people actually love the kind of polish that we have done to this furniture.
अच्छा.
It's an
I think we
antique
need to
gold
focus on the
finishing.
polish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we don't want the gold to pop out very much. So we wanted something to, to create a very antique look to the wood. At the
Little
same-
subtle and underplayed,
Yeah,
subtle,
yeah.
without making it look very gaudy.
Very gaudy
Generally,
and
gold
loud.
becomes very loud.
Very loud.
But I am a little surprised because not many people could experiment with shisham when it comes to making these kind of things.
Right.
And not many people have done this kind of distress finish with gold. Not many people have done experiment with wood, with polish, and
yeah.
also with polyester layer on the top, just to make
Yes,
it a little
yes.
shiny, because it feels like a stone.
Yes,
Exactly.
yes.
Right.
Right.
Just like a stone piece.
Right.
So how did you get this idea?
The idea was just that we don't want wood to be gold to look like a glossy thing. We want it to be a little subtle. Still wanted it to look unique
Okay.
for the drawing room. So yeah,
All right.
that was the whole idea.
Okay. Cool. Very nice. I mean, I'm really impressed. We'll make a separate unit video on this if need be.
Yes.
So this is our 4-seater.
Yes.
Okay.
2 4-seaters.
This is also 4-seater.
Yes.
And this is single-seater.
Yes.
Single seater.
and one without bag.
Okay. This is our divider lounger. What do you call
Yes.
that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
क्योंकि आप इंटीरियर डिजाइनर हैं and we said this in the beginning of the video कि
Right.
आपसे हम एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे नॉलेज.
Exactly.
पहले तो मुझे टेबल के बारे में बता दीजिए. This table is not going with it.
The table is not going with it, but it will go with the overall theme of the interiors.
All
yes.
right. Okay.
Because this whole setup is created for someone's drawing room. So we have used the kind of finishes and the colors on their walls and
Okay.
the ceilings. So they reflects the same thing.
Okay.
So when it will be placed on site, it will look as if it is made for that space.
Achha, okay, cool.
Yeah.
I got it. What is this finish we have given? This little bit of rough finish, edgy finish on the top.
Yeah, it is basically a laminate thing, and but we have done a like we use some oils or something.
Okay.
To give it a little better look.
Okay.
So we have polished the laminate with those oils.
All right. This
Yeah.
is going to be just like this, very little matty, or is going to be glossy?
No, it is going to be like this. It's not going to be glossy.
Oh, okay. Little bit of cleaning is required. this
Yes,
time.
yes,
All right.
maybe.
Done. We move on from this beautiful unit to another set.
Yes.
This is very nice. This is what wood is this?
This is also Shisham wood, and
Okay.
then this polish is basically the polish which is done on wood from ears.
Okay. This one.
Huh.
Okay.
So the wood looks like wood.
All right. Without distorting the original color of wood,
color and
Shisham wood.
feel of the wood. Yeah.
Okay. One thing I wanted to ask, I forgot to ask you. When you have a setup like this, what kind of colors and walls you think will go with it? I don't know what clients are choosing. Not
Right.
talking about them.
Right.
What is your suggestion when we choose something like this?
It depends on the kind of space where we want to put it. If
Okay.
we are putting this on drawing room, then obviously I want it to be subtle and it will be merged with the golds and beige and grays
Okay.
kind of a thing.
Oh, this will go well with
Yeah,
grey as well.
grey
Okay.
and like that is why we have used the table
As
in
grey
grey,
side.
right?
Okay, darker grey
So
side.
yeah, so
Cool.
when it is in the drawing room, so we don't want to experiment much with colors.
Mm-hmm.
So the neutral shades will be using like golds and grays and beige, off whites and all that. But if we want it for the living room sort of space, so we'll play with colors on the cushions and on the walls.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Drawing room subtle and living room vibrant.
Yes,
That's what the whole
yes,
idea is.
yeah.
And when you use something like this,
Yes.
this has a little unusually high back. Huh?
Yes,
Little,
yes, yes.
Taller than the normal sofa.
taller than the normal sofa.
Right. So
So-
what is the purpose? Why do we follow this kind of scheme?
Where you want to put a single couch and you want it to stand out.
Okay. Please come this side.
Yeah.
Okay. Very interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. I am sure we are going to love this part.
Exactly.
This high back in a
Yes.
3-seater
Yes, yes.
is meant to be where you want to keep only one single
One
unit.
single
So
unit,
this has
yeah.
to be tall.
Yes.
This can go heighted.
Yeah. So it
Okay,
will
okay.
stand out in the space where you're putting up.
Oh, very good idea.
Yes.
And people should thank you for this. I'm
Thank
telling you, people should thank you for this.
Yes.
Now we got to learn this
Yes.
why some chairs are tall.
Yes.
Okay. And this is the chair. This is the center table we have already seen.
Yes, yes.
And these chairs are for bedroom.
Actually, they are not of a bedroom. We are creating a set of drawing room where the sofas are of neutral shades.
Okay.
Yeah, the kind of cushions you see on the chairs. So that are the shade of sofa that we are using for the drawing room. But basically, we wanted to add some color. So we have used these chairs. And the cushions will be alternating with the cushions on the sofas of this color
Okay.
and yeah.
Okay. This is opposite contrast.
Opposite, yeah.
Okay. What is the fabric we have used on this? This
It's all
suede?
suede, yeah.
Okay.
It's all suede with some little bit of gold foiling in it, which is very in these days.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Okay. If I could show it closely.
yes,
All right. Cool. We go to the next one now.
yes,
I think the next fabric also has a little bit of gold in it. Huh?
yes, yes,
Okay. These all materials are being delivered in Amritsar or somewhere outside?
yes, yes.
In Amritsar?
It is.
Okay.
It is. These all presently, whatever is here, it is of Amritsar. But otherwise, we deliver pan India.
Okay. Done. Talking about this particular one, this has got a little bit of Chester, round arm, straight line, everything,
Yeah.
combination.
Yes, combination.
Okay. This is 3-seater?
3, 2, and 2.
2.
Yeah.
Okay. Along with these cushions or cushions separate?
नहीं, along with these cushions, we have like played it in a way कि beige के साथ कुछ green का combination करके florals में, so that it doesn't go very dull.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है, let me see the finish because ये बड़ा important part होता है. Whenever we go to a store, we try to find out the kind of finish is done. These workmanship, these skilled laborers, basically the designers, I will say the skilled laborers is the word.
Yes.
Are they from Amritsar or they're from outside?
Yes, they are from Amritsar only. They.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is workmanship is, I mean, at par with Delhi. It's
Yeah.
very nice, very well done.
We try to do that. Yes.
Very good. I mean, Chesterfield is also very well done.
Yes.
Okay, now this one. This is the entire set, including this chair.
Yeah. You can take that. Otherwise, the set is of 3 couches with a table. This chair is basically we do that also. In a design, if you want to, what we design these days is like there's a set of 3 sofas, right? So you can put. We have a similar set like this. I'll show you later. So there are sofas of one sofa is of different shape and size, and the other one is of different shape and size. Or you have a single chair which is of a very different style than the sofas. If you're
Okay.
putting a single chair, it is of a different style than the sofa, so it will
Alright.
stand out.
Okay.
So things like that we are doing these days.
All right. Can we see that with an example?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
When we are talking about this particular set, it is of a single space.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I am getting to learn now. Please start again. All over. I need to understand this. What you are trying to tell us?
Okay. So what we do nowadays is, while doing a space, basically पहले क्या होता था कि सारा कुछ same है, 2 sofas same है, and the chairs are also a smaller version of the sofa.
Right. Same
right?
color, identical
same color and the same style and everything.
Right.
तो अब हम क्या करते हैं? If there are 3 sofas in a room, so we don't want to make it a very boring space by creating the 3 sofas all together. Everything is same in same design, same color. We don't do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So what?
So
what
basically
we're
when
trying to
they
say
are-
is this beige and beige will look very monotonous and boring.
Yes, exactly.
Huh? Okay. So we color break it.
Color break it, and also we can design break it also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So one thing is visible. Color break is already done with the
Yes.
help of this little on the
Yes.
grayish beige
Yes.
and sea pink. This is
Yes.
the color break.
Yes.
And design.
Design as in these 3 sofas going to put in the same space.
Okay. So
Yes.
this has got a curvaceous back.
Yes.
And this
So
has got
see,
different kind
these
of
two
pattern.
designs are quite similar. And it's a 3-seater version, and that's a 4-seater version of the same sofa.
Okay.
That sofa is going to put in the center of these 2 sofas, and it will stand out because it has a different. It is
Correct,
different
correct.
altogether.
Right, right.
Yeah.
This placement, one more thing, I don't want to slip it out of my mind.
Yeah.
You are saying that this one and this one is going to be like this, or this will go.
They're going to place opposite to each other.
Okay, so this one
Yeah.
and this one will go here, right?
This one will go there.
Okay.
That is going to be in the center of these 2 sofas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
तो मैं एक बार हिंदी में बता दूं आराम से।
हाँ,
ये
हाँ.
बड़ा अच्छा आपने हमें पॉइंट
Right.
बताया है।
Yeah.
और हम पिछले वीडियो में भी बता रहे थे कि आप
Right.
ये वाले साइज का सोफा ये है, तो ये सोफा सामने जाएगा
Right.
और वो वाला सोफा यहाँ पे आएगा।
Center पे.
राइट? ओके। और डिजाइन में क्योंकि वो ऑपोजिट हैं एक दूसरे के, तो वो
Right.
सेम डिजाइन फॉलो कर रहे हैं।
Exactly.
राइट? कलर ब्रेक का आपने ऑलरेडी हमको हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में बता दिया।
Right.
एक चीज़ और है जहाँ पे कि ऑपोजिट कॉन्ट्रास्ट है कलर
हाँ.
में। इसके अलावा ऑपोजिट कॉन्ट्रास्ट में भी आप देखें तो कुशन का ऑपोजिट कॉन्ट्रास्ट भी
हाँ.
किया हुआ है।
Right.
मतलब इसका कलर उस पे, उसका कलर उसके ऊपर किया
Right.
हुआ है। अदरवाइज बहुत आइसोलेट हो जाएंगे ये।
Exactly.
अगर आप इसके ऊपर यही कलर के सोफा से कुशन डालेंगे,
हाँ.
टू मच इन्फॉर्मेशन हो रही है शायद।
नहीं,
लेकिन आई थिंक
it's
इट्स
okay.
इम्पोर्टेंट
Yeah.
है ना। अगर आप ग्रे के ऊपर ग्रे कुशन डालेंगे, पिंक
Right.
के ऊपर पिंक डालेंगे, तो ये आइसोलेट हो जाएंगे।
Isolate हो जाएंगे,
है ना?
हमें
अब-
ऐसा लगेगा कि शायद
They don't belong to each
हाँ,
other.
they don't belong
right?
to each other, yeah.
Okay. Now this is looking very nice.
Thank
And thanks a lot for sharing such wonderful idea. बहुत अच्छा लगा ये।
thank you.
बहुत अच्छा था। बहुत कम लोग इस बारे में जानते हैं
Right.
एक्चुअली,
So
है
we
ना?
try to do that also these days, so
Uh-huh.
that to make the place more interesting, basically.
Cool.
Yeah.
और इसमें जो लेग्स हैं वो थ्रू आउट हमने सब में बराबर दिया है, मेटालिक लेग्स हैं।
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The metal is everywhere in the thing, which is a common element binding everything.
ओके।
Yeah.
ठीक है। एक चीज़ और है, हमारे व्यूअर्स को बता देते हैं हम,
Right.
और आपसे भी कंफर्म करना चाहेंगे कि इट इज़ राइट और रॉन्ग कि जब हम कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी कर रहे हैं, तो कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी में आप जब मूड बोर्ड बनाते हैं, थीम्स बनाते हैं,
Right.
तो उसमें वुड होता है, फैब्रिक होता है, इसके अलावा मेटल होता है। तो मेटल के 3 कलर हैं हमारे पास, गोल्ड है, रोज गोल्ड है और स्टील है। तो इसका आपने डिटर्मिनेशन किया है कि इसका मेटल कलर विल बी पॉप विल बी गोल्ड।
Gold. Yeah.
दिस कैन बी रोज गोल्ड आल्सो। रोज
can
गोल्ड मे
be.
नॉट लुक दैट ग्रेट।
May not look, yeah.
ओके, इसका कैसे आइडेंटिफिकेशन होता है?
Gold is basically a shade जिसके साथ ना almost all the fabrics go very well.
ओके।
In rose gold, when you come to rose gold, there's still certain limitation of colors.
Okay.
You can say.
अच्छा।
कि there are some shades which will go with the rose gold very well. There might not be some shades which won't go with rose gold at all.
Sometimes they look horrible.
Yeah.
Okay.
But gold is something जिसके साथ सारे shades go very well.
Okay.
That's we have experimented till now.
राइट। जैसे कि यहाँ पे आपने मेटल में देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे गोल्ड यूज किया हुआ है।
Yes.
एक थर्ड कलर होता है जिसमें स्टील है।
Steel
है ना?
है, yeah.
स्टील का क्योंकि एसएस का बहुत यूज होता रहा है, तो स्टील एक्चुअली हैज गॉन लिटिल डाउन मार्केट।
Yes.
Right?
Yes. yes.
So it doesn't appeal to too many people, but
Yes.
steel also has a beautiful color.
Color.
Black and steel looks very nice.
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Okay, cool. So coming back to this, ये हमारा पूरा arrangement है. How many people can be accommodated in this arrangement?
Around 10 to 12.
Okay.
12 sitting. Yeah.
ठीक है. Our home production, center table is also home production.
Everything. Everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है। क्या ये भी एक बात और आपसे हम पूछ लें, बिकॉज बहुत कम मौका मिलता है हमको।
Right.
एक्सेसिबिलिटी प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल। जब भी आप सोफास परचेज करते हैं तो सेंटर टेबल का जो साइज़ का डिटर्मिनेशन होता है So you have to be very particular that each and every person can reach out to the table.
Yes, yes.
Do you keep that in
exactly,
mind as well?
Exactly.
Is
Yeah.
it right?
Of course, of course.
Okay. All right. And how much is the leg room space should one actually keep it? Like for example,
At
person
least.
sitting here.
यहाँ पे कम है because of the space, but
this
when
is not the right display.
yeah, of course, it is displayed. But जब ये side पे होगा actually, तो at least 2 feet should be there.
Okay. Between the edge of the sofa and the
Yes,
table,
yes.
there should be a gap
At
of
least
2
2
feet.
At least 2
Okay.
feet.
Cool.
Yeah.
ठीक है. I know I'm extracting too much of knowledge.
Thank
Okay. Half of
Yeah.
us have become interior designers. Okay.
Right.
ठीक है. Coming back to this love seat.
Yeah.
Okay. अच्छा एक चीज़ और सॉरी
Yes,
सॉरी
yes, yes.
इसमें अगर हम बात करें तो इसके वॉल कलर्स क्या प्रेफर करेंगे आप कौन कौन से
इसमें
ऑप्शंस होंगे
हमने what we have done on site is we have used off whites,
ओके
we have used golds, and we have used beige.
ओके ठीक है लव सीट की बात करेंगे अभी हम
Yeah.
दिस इज अ लव सीट
Yes,
ये
yes.
बेडरूम के लिए है
This
ऑब्वियसली
is for the bedroom. This is the perfect maybe you can say perfect piece of furniture for your reading, for your coffee. So it is going to help you with everything
ओके
for your relaxation. Yeah,
परफेक्ट
yeah.
और ये भी थोड़ा इसका जो सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट है इट्स नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन इट्स
It's
ओवल
round.
है ना
Yeah, it's oval.
Okay. Now moving from this soft and tender, very agile, very
Yes. Girly
if I
kind
may
of a
say,
thing you can say.
romantic, if I may say.
Girly,
right?
yeah.
Very girly, yeah,
Yeah.
actually. Yeah, you use the right term, girly. It's more
Yeah.
of girly. Okay. And from sea pink, we are going to the grey
Yeah.
for the man.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a floating sofa. ये
Yeah.
commercial space के लिए.
ये commercial है. This is a very basic but yet very comfortable furniture
Hmm.
for the commercial space.
अच्छा.
Basically, we have created a little waiting area kind of a thing for a commercial.
Okay.
Yeah. So this furniture is going to be there, put there.
क्या चीज़ थी जिसको आपको लगता है जिस पर भी हमने देखते ही कह दिया कि कमर्शियल हो सकता है मुझे क्यों पता चला ऐसा What are those elements?
Very neutral shades.
Okay.
बेसिक शेड ऑफ लाइक बेसिकली हम लेदर भी घर के अंदर आप ड्राइंग रूम्स के लिए कहेंगे तो हम ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करते हैं.
Okay.
लेदर इज पुट अप इन अ प्लेस थोड़ा कमर्शियल हो मेंटेनेंस बड़ी इजी हो जाती है.
Right.
राइट
And
वुड
in terms of
में
design?
डिज़ाइन ऑल्सो इज़ वेरी सिंपल
Okay.
विदाउट आर्म्स है. बेसिकली हम किसी के घर पे ऐसा बहुत कम रखते हैं.
राइट बिकॉज वहाँ पे कंफर्ट लेवल से ज़्यादा यूटिलिटी
Yes.
का फोकस होता है इसलिए
यस यस
ओके आप वुड के बारे में कुछ कह रहे थे सॉरी
आई वाज सेइंग कि वी हैव नॉट यूज एनी लाइक गोल्ड्स और कुछ ऐसा पॉप आउट करता हुआ कुछ हमने वुड में ही कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं किया है. बड़ी न्यूट्रल शेड ऑफ वुड है.
अच्छा है
हाँ
वुड
बेसिक वुड या
ओके ठीक है ये भी कमर्शियल स्पेस के लिए चाहिए
राइट चेयर इज
अच्छा.
आल्सो फॉर द सेम एरिया.
ऑल राइट
Yeah.
ठीक है विल गो दैट साइड नाउ
या
एंड दिस सोफा इज 4 सीटर
4 सीटर.
ओके अमृतसर में लोगों के घर लगता है बहुत बड़े बड़े होते हैं है ना
एग्जैक्टली
4 सीटर हमें दिल्ली में रेयरली देखने को मिलता है
Right.
यहाँ पे लार्जली देखें तो एवरीबडी हैज़ 4 सीटर बहुत अच्छा बनाया है ये
थैंक यू.
वेरी नाइस इसमें क्या फैब्रिक यूज़ किया हमने
It is also all suede, very rich kind of a fabric for the people who don't want a very like gold चीज़ नहीं चाहिए fabric में pop out होते हुए, but still it has to be nice and cozy. वो feeling आपको maintain हो जाती है यहाँ पे.
ओके ये 4 सीटर है हैं?
Right.
4 सीटर में एक्चुअली 2-3 चीज़ें इसके बारे में क्विकली हम बात कर लेंगे अभी इसकी कॉन्टूर का खास ख्याल रखा गया है सो दैट कंफर्ट लेवल अच्छा होता
Yes,
है ना
yes.
रिक्लाइंड है पीछे की
Yes,
तरफ
right.
और आपने थ्रू आउट एक फैब्रिक को मेंटेन किया हुआ है आप चाहें तो वेरिएशन भी कर सकते हैं इसमें
Variation
Plain
कर
plus,
सकते हैं.
pattern?
You can use some color, but it looks very subtle like this. Like if you're using,
अच्छा.
yeah. So with this, if you want to go with some chairs, maybe we can add colors on those
Opposite
chairs.
contrast?
Yeah, chairs with we can throw on cushions of the color,
ओके
same color of chair.
बट दिस इज बेज कलर
This is beige.
This is, correct me if I'm wrong, is it right or wrong? They say that the larger size of units, like 4 seaters, they're large in size. They should not be too loud because they'll come too much in the
Exactly.
face.
They will stand. They
right?
will, yeah.
So always go for subtle colors.
Subtle color
if
because
you have 4 seaters.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. And how to break the monotony, as you said, with the help of 2 chairs opposite
Yes.
contrast.
Yes. Yes.
Right?
You can do that.
Okay. ठीक है. Done. सो ये बेज में है पूरा. एक और चीज़ मुझे आपसे जाननी थी. आई थिंक यू द राइट पर्सन. आई मेट समबडी टुडे.
Okay.
ये कुछ सोफाज में कट्स होते हैं, स्लिट्स होते हैं, सीट को कट करके बनाया जाता है, कहीं कहीं पे स्ट्रेट होता है.
Right. Right.
व्हाट इज हु डिसाइड्स एंड व्हाई?
बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जब अगर हमने इसे कट्स दे दिए हैं, सो अ पर्सन स्पेस इज डिफाइंड,
ओके,
राइट, कि मुझे उतने में इज द स्पेस फॉर द सिंगल सीटर. When you don't do that, and if in a 4-seater, if I give 4 cuts and 3 people are sitting on that, so maybe one person will be sitting in between the stitches or something like that, which makes it very uncomfortable. If you go for a single straight, so no person will be uncomfortable no matter how many persons are sitting in. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. It's like making boundaries and restricting people
Yeah.
with that within that limited space.
Yes, yes.
And another reason why there are, I mean, that can be another reason. I'm giving suggestion, just running my brain. Correct me if I'm wrong. In case there are 5 people, they're a little lighter in size.
Yes, yes.
If they want to sit, then 4 cuts will create problem.
Yes,
right?
of course. That's what I'm saying. If you're accommodating 5 people in 4-seater,
Okay.
so one person at least will be sitting in the between the stitches. So
Right,
that space is going to be very uncomfortable for him.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah, got it. Wonderful idea. And trust me, it's like a treat. मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ हम वीडियोस करते हैं.
Yes.
यकीन मानिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम सीखते हैं, वीडियोस में भी देखते हैं और फिर पढ़ते भी हैं, लेकिन ये चीज़ बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जो आज आपने हमको बताई. ठीक है, वी आर गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन नाउ और पीपल विल थैंक यू फॉर दिस वंडरफुल टिप. ये चेयर्स हैं, बेडरूम चेयर्स हैं.
Bedroom chairs, yeah.
ठीक है, टाइम टू रैप अप. दीज आर आल्सो फ्यू बेडरूम चेयर्स
Few
विद अस,
bedroom chairs, yeah.
राइट?
Yeah.
डू वी सेल दीज कुशन्स एज वेल?
Depends on client. If they want it from us, we can do that.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So time to wrap up. Before we move ahead, it is important. There are a few basic questions we need to ask you. Please come here.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, this is where we started from.
Yes.
Time to wrap up.
Yes.
All these products जितने भी हैं सारे bespoke से related हैं.
Yes.
तो ये कुछ डिज़ाइंस हैं जो हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं. इसके अलावा हमारे पास बहुत बड़ा कैटलॉग है.
Yes, yes.
We have
There's
lots
a
of
wide,
designs.
wide range of catalog.
Okay, catalog is available with
Yes,
us.
yes.
ठीक है. So do you suggest people उनके डिज़ाइंस के हिसाब से आप उनको सजेस्ट करते हैं या जो लोग अपना फर्नीचर आपसे कहते हैं हमें एक क्राफ्ट करके दे दो वो आप बना देते हैं या both ways है?
Both ways है. But when someone is coming to us, basically they want the ideas from us.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we are not here to sell the furnitures. We are here to create something. So when they come to us, they are obviously looking for a fresh ideas from us that what we are doing, what is trending these days. So yeah, we suggest, and then if they have some particular requirement, we create it as per their requirement. So both
Done.
ways it can be done.
Okay.
Yes.
But this procedure, though this is exclusive, and for the people those who want to own something that is very exclusive, but there's one thing they have to remember. इसमें थोड़ा सा पेशेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है.
Exactly. A lot of patience actually.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
ठीक है. और जब ये बन रहा होता है प्रोसेस में, क्योंकि लोगों को फोम के बारे में, वुड के बारे में,
Yes.
पॉलिश के बारे में, स्पेशली जो स्ट्रक्चर पार्ट होता है,
Right,
प्लाई के
right,
बारे में
right.
नॉलेज नहीं होती, तो
Yes.
क्या आप उनको अपडेट देते हैं कि
Yes, yes, of
ये आप
course.
देख सकते हैं कि
Of
कौन सा
course,
वुड यूज़
of
हो रहा है आप?
The thing is, the initial meeting of finalizing the furniture, it happens in the other studio,
ओके.
right? So there we give them a demo of everything.
ओके.
What is going to be the inside of their furniture till the outside.
ऑलराइट.
What is going to be visible. So we give them a demo of everything, and when they place the order and their work is in the manufacturing process, the client is very much open to visit the manufacturing process.
Okay.
They can come and
We
they can
welcome
check.
them there.
Yeah,
Okay.
they can come and they can check whatever we are committing, whatever we have ensured, it is going to be there or not. They can come and they can check. So
ठीक है.
it maintains a level of trust also that yes, they are doing the fair job, they are doing what they are committing.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot for showing us around. It was wonderful meeting you. We got to learn a lot of things from you, and we
Yeah,
request
thank
all the viewers from different parts of India, especially from Punjab, to get in touch with you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for
Thank
giving us
you.
this tour.
Thank you.